I grated sausage and made an incredibly delicious recipe. For this recipe, I'll be grating 2 sausages here. And I will book. In a bowl, add 2 eggs. And hit very well. And guys, you're already commenting to me what city you're watching us from and how is the weather in your city, huh? Weather is hot, weather is cold. Comment there, and I'll send a super special hug to all of you. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. And also a little green smell. And this personal recipe is wonderful. I'm sure all of you who do will not regret it. Add a spoon of chopped onion. And also the sausage that we grated. For seasoning I will use a spoon of salt. A spoon of pepperoni pepper. And also a spoon of black pepper. And today I'm going to send a special big hug to 2 people who are always commenting on my page. A big hug to Elizabeth Ball in Tasmania, Australia. And also for Daryam Somasoyo in California. Thank you so much for always commenting, I appreciate it immensely. I will now grease it with olive oil in a frying pan and add our recipe. Now it's just a matter of adjusting it with the spatula. Cover, and let it cook for 5 minutes in low fire. After it's cooked the side, I'll be turning. That way, which is to cook the other side, right? Add mozzarella cheese on top, but this is optional. And also add some oregano to make it even more delicious. Now I'm going to let it cook until the cheese melts. Okay, cheese has melted and our recipe is ready and it was super delicious. I'm sure you all will love this recipe. So, if you liked it, share it, and until next time.